What's up, WealthWave Hub fam? Today, I'm peeling back the curtain and opening up about how I made $100 a day as a teenager online, all while I was still in high school. Yep, you heard that right. I'm going to show you exactly how I made $100 a day as a teenager online with just my phone and a whole lot of hustle. The best part? I started with no special skills and zero money. And now, in 2026, these methods are even easier to pull off thanks to all the new apps and tools available. So if you're a teen out there wondering how I made $100 a day as a teenager online, stick around. I'm giving you my exact steps, breaking it all down, and sharing tips to help you avoid the pitfalls I nearly fell into. Let's jump right in. My starting point, my entry into this whole world of how I made $100 a day as a teenager online, it was reward apps. Seriously, I started with apps like Swagbucks for filling out surveys and Google Opinion rewards for answering quick polls. This was an easy $10 to $20 a day right at the beginning. To really scale up how I made $100 a day as a teenager online, I added Misplay, which pays you to play games, and inbox dollars. I'd spend about 1 or 2 hours after my homework was done, and then I'd just cash out straight to my PayPal account. Now, remember, you might need your parents' okay for some of these if you're under 18. But this simple step was the foundation for how I made $100 a day as a teenager online. It proved to me that it was possible. Next, it was time to level up. This is where freelancing on a platform like Fiverr came in. This is a huge part of how I made $100 a day as a teenager online. I started offering super simple services like basic graphic edits using Canva or writing short articles and product descriptions. I learned everything for free just by watching YouTube tutorials. I priced my first gigs at just $5 to get started and build up my reviews as fast as possible. Pretty soon, I was consistently making $30 to $50 a day. Now, in 2026, you can use AI tools like Grok to brainstorm ideas and speed up your writing. The key to how I made $100 a day as a teenager online with freelancing was niching down. I focused on teen-related stuff like helping other teens with their social media graphics. Then came the viral potential of content creation on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Wondering how I made $100 a day as a teenager online with this method? I posted daily videos following trends, especially things like teen life hacks or study tips. Once my channels grew, I monetized them with ads and brand deals. I used free video editors like CapCut, and AI caption generators made the process super fast. I'll never forget the feeling when my first viral short earned me $50 overnight. When it comes to how I made $100 a day as a teenager online through content, consistency is king. I aim to post at least 3 times a day to stay on the algorithm's good side. Ready for the passive income gold mine? Selling digital products on Etsy. This was a game changer. My strategy for how I made $100 a day as a teenager online included creating digital planners, phone wallpapers, and printable checklists using Canva. I'd price them between $3 and $7. The beauty of digital products is there is no shipping, and you can sell them an infinite number of times. I promoted my products on Reddit and teen-focused subreddits and on Pinterest. This stream alone started adding an extra $20 to $40 a day, almost effortlessly, once it was set up. It was a massive boost to how I made $100 a day as a teenager online because it worked for me even when I was sleeping. Next up is commission magic, affiliate marketing. I signed up for the Amazon Associates program. So how I made $100 a day as a teenager online with this. I started reviewing products I actually used and loved, like gaming accessories, helpful apps, or my favorite tech gadgets. I'd post my reviews on Instagram stories and reels and put my unique affiliate links in my bio. When someone clicked my link and bought something, I'd get a small cut of the sale, usually around 5 to 15%. It's free to join, and they give you a dashboard to track all your clicks and earnings. This method was crucial for scaling how I made $100 a day as a teenager online, because it grew as my audience grew. So, how did I put it all together to consistently hit that $100 a day mark? The secret was diversification. I didn't rely on just one thing. I combined the income from reward apps, my freelancing gigs, content creation, digital products, and affiliate marketing. That's the real story of how I made $100 a day as a teenager online. I dedicated about 3 hours every single day, and I used tools like Notion to keep everything organized and track my earnings. In 2026, you can even use AI schedulers to automate your social media posts. My best day ever? I actually hit $200. My pro tip for how I made $100 a day as a teenager online is to reinvest a portion of your earnings back into learning new skills. Before you go, let's talk about what I avoided. Please don't fall for those get-rich-quick scams. Anyone promising you'll make thousands overnight is lying. The real secret to how I made $100 a day as a teenager online was steady, consistent work. Also, make sure you balance this with your schoolwork. And if you earn over $600 in a year, you'll need to track it for tax purposes, so get your parents' help with that. Always verify apps and websites to make sure they're safe and legitimate. That's how I succeeded in my journey of how I made $100 a day as a teenager online by being smart and safe. So that's my story on how I made $100 a day as a teenager online. Now it's your turn to start your journey. As a bonus tip, try joining Discord groups for teen entrepreneurs to find people to collaborate with. Let me know in the comments what your goal is for making money online. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Peace out.